Okay, now we're doing bicycles. We're on a different track now. And the grass was wet, so I didn't sit down. And this would be pretty good. A combination of bicycles and runners. More bicycles. Some more bicycles. Maybe go see the kites. And I can sit down over here, even though there's no shade. Well, we might be closer, guys, than I thought. I haven't been here in 5 years, so maybe 7. Lot going on here. You get bicycles and you get people walking. Look at the kites, guys. Look at the kites. They were up there really high.
Me and my friends sit here, like, just watching, like.
Elaborate kite making has got.
Very good, the kites.